Unit 9, Lessons 1 to 2. Vocabulary: cow, hen, egg, milk, wife, keep clean, horse, barn, inside, hay, outside, afterwards. Cow, it's a cow. It gives us milk and meat. Hen, it's a hen. It gives us egg and meat. Egg, it's an egg. Milk, it's a milk. Wife, keep clean. She is a wife. She keeps the house clean. Horse, it's a horse. Barn, it's a barn. A horse stays inside a barn. Hay, outside. Afterwards, a horse eats hay. It can eat hay outside the barn. Afterwards, it goes back inside the barn. Unit 9, Lessons 3 to 4. Add, double, full, empty, holds the most, holds the least, which holds the most. Add, add all the eggs in the nest. Double, the number of white eggs is double the number of brown eggs. Full, empty, the basket is full of apples. The basket is empty. Holds the most. The blue bucket holds the most. Holds the least. The red cup holds the least. Which holds the most?